Creating a colorful fruit salad.
Hello, dear students. Today, we will learn how to make a colorful and tasty fruit salad.
Fruit salads are healthy and refreshing. They are great for a snack or dessert. Let's start.
Ingredients:
1 apple, 1 banana, 1 orange, 10 grapes, 1 cup of pineapple chunks, 1 tablespoon of honey, a pinch of cinnamon, optional. Instructions: 1. Start by washing all the fruits thoroughly. 2. Peel the orange and separate it into segments. 3. Cut the apple into small pieces. 4. Slice the banana. 5. Cut the pineapple into chunks if not already done. 6. Mix all the fruits in a large bowl. 7. Drizzle the honey over the fruits. 8. If you like, you can sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon for extra flavor. 9. Toss the fruits gently to mix well. 10. Chill the fruit salad in the refrigerator for